Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kia Soul faster. First, consider upgrading your air intake system. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe much better by delivering denser, cooler air. This improved airflow leads to more efficient combustion and a noticeable power increase. You can typically expect a gain of around 5 to 10 horsepower from this simple modification, making your Soul feel more responsive on the road. Next, let's talk about your exhaust system. Installing a performance exhaust reduces back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit more freely. This improves engine efficiency and can even slightly reduce the vehicle's overall weight if you choose lighter materials. You're looking at a potential increase of 3 to 7 horsepower, which contributes to a more spirited driving experience and a sportier sound for your Kia Soul. Now, for a significant boost, consider an engine control unit, or ECU, remap. This involves reprogramming your car's computer to optimize various engine parameters, such as fuel delivery, ignition timing, and, if applicable, boost pressure. A professional tune can unlock hidden potential, often yielding gains of 10 to 15 horsepower. This makes your Kia Soul feel much more powerful and responsive across the entire RPM range. Finally, let's look at reducing unsprung weight. Upgrading to lighter wheels and tires can make a surprising difference. Unsprung weight refers to components not supported by the suspension, and reducing it allows your engine to transfer power to the road more efficiently. For every pound of unsprung weight you remove, it's like taking 10 pounds off the chassis, leading to quicker acceleration and improved handling for your Kia Soul.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.